Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Gumtree account. You can easily create a new account for Gumtree in just a couple of minutes. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in gumtree.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Gumtree, go to the upper right corner and click on the register button. Now, you can go ahead and register using your existing Google account, Facebook account, or by entering the email and password for your account. I'm going to select the email option. So in order to choose email and sign up, you'll first need to enter your first name, enter your last name on the next field, and enter a valid email address inside the email tab. Now where it says password, create a strong password. You will be using this password every time you sign into your account. While creating a password, make sure to include at least one capital letter, small letter, a number, and one special character. Once you create a strong password that meets the criteria, click on register. Now, you will need to verify your email. Open up your email service provider's inbox. Now, after you verify your email, you will be able to sign up for Gumtree. Now, once you have the account, you can find a wide variety of goods to buy and sell at affordable prices, find a new job or advertise your services, search for properties for rent or purchase, and much more. So that's how you will be able to create a new account on Gumtree and start using Gumtree to buy, sell, or find whatever you are looking for. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.